Hello children, welcome back for day 22 session. So we already have been started our chapter 3, that is shapes and patterns. So in the previous class we have learned about what is point, what is line segments, and also the horizontal line, vertical lines with more examples and all. So today in this class we are going to learn what is sides and corners with the examples. Before going to the class, let me see the surrounding of your room. So what it will be finding? So you will be finding clock and also somewhere else like photo frame and all. So that by looking this we can see the shape. The clock is in round shape. If we see the frame, photo frame means it will be like the rectangle or the square. So only thing we used to find out the object is in which shape. If we go for kitchen means, so we can see, if we see the paneer there, your mother is cutting the paneer means it is in which shape? It will be in the square shape. Moreover, the paneer will be on the square shape, right children? If your mother is preparing dosa means the dosa is in which shape? Yes, that is in round shape. Yes children? Next, if we are moving for our study table, so that if we are seeing the book means the book will be in the square shape. If we are see that compass box or your abacus scale, it is in which shape? It is in a rectangular shape. Okay, next if we are moving outside. So if we saw any traffic boards like this shape, so it resembles like a triangle. Yes children? Yes? Yes, if we see the mehendi cone also, the mehendi cone will be like cone shape. The only thing we used to identify that the thing is belongs to which shape. Yes? So once you try children, you look after all the things and you just want to identify that the thing is belongs to which shape. It is will be belongs to circle or oval or triangle or rectangular or square children. So in the previous class I have been shown more example about these shapes. So today also I will be giving more examples. I will be showing more examples to understand the concept. Okay children. So today in this class, what do you mean by the sides? Yes, sides are the straight line which have been formed by a plane surface. So what do you mean by the plane surface? The whatever the objects we will be seeing by our naked eyes is known as a plane surface. Okay, let me write this. What do you mean by the sides? S-I-D-E-S. Sides is a straight line. Is a straight line that form a plane surface. So what is this definition? Yes, along with the example I will teach you. So first I will take this small book. So here I took the small book. The book resembles like a square. Yes children. So the straight line if we are finding here also we are finding the straight line here, and here also we have finding the straight line. So the straight line which have been formed on the plane surface is known as a sides. And also one more name is also there. We will call it as edge. E-D-G-E-S, edges. E-D-G-E-S, edges. Okay. The straight line which have been formed on the plane surface is known as sides. So I will be showing different examples so that yes, here we have the straight line, so that we will call it this as sides. So here we have straight line, so we will call it as sides or edges. Sides or edges. And one more thing, the point that two lines will meet is known as yes, the point that the two lines will meet is known as corners. Okay children. So in the circle, for example, if I take the ball here, if I took this ball, we don't have any sides and edges here. So we don't have any straight line and we don't have any point or corners here. So that circle don't have any sides and corners. Understood? Next, if we are moving for rectangular, for example, I will be showing the example of rectangular as an abacus scale. I have the abacus scale, so I took that. So here we can see the sides there. How many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 sides in this abacus scale. So what about the corners? Corners means the corners. Corners, the 2 lines it will be joining is known as corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For this rectangular we have 4 sides and 4 corners. Is understood? So the next topic is corners. So what do you mean by the corners? Yes, the corners means the point where the 2 sides meets. Here we will call it as the straight line as the sides or the edges here. So the point, here is the point here. The point where the 2 sides meet. Here the 2 sides are meeting here. So this we will call it as corner. C-O-R-N-E-R-S, corners. The straight line we will be calling as sides. S-I-D-E-S, sides. And also edges, E-D-G-E-S. For example, this is the plane surface, that is we having the sides here. So we have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to count how many corners are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 corners and also 4 sides or edges in this plane figure. Yes. Next, if we are moving for more examples, let me solve. So on one more, children's, in the circle, for example, if I take the ball, so ball, it don't have any sides and it don't have any, for example, this ball, it don't have any sides, it don't have any straight lines, and also it don't have any corners. The ending point is not there. So that the oval and also the circles, they don't have any sides and corners. Next, if we are moving for rectangular, for example, rectangular means we can see like different things we can see, means one thing that is our scale, compass box, and also differently, I have to think differently that which will be coming, mobile phone and also laptop. Next, so we will be getting n number of shapes, so that we have to identify differently. Okay. So for example, if I take my master scale only, if I take my master scale, so it is in the rectangular shape. Yes, it have the 4 sides, that is straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So what about the corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? 4 corners. So in this master scale we have 4 sides and 4 corners. Next, if we saw the chart, if we see the chart also, we can see how many sides and how many corners are there. You have to tell me on the WhatsApp. Yes, children? Okay. Now we will solve the chuck pointer 3.2. So let me solve the chuck pointer 3.2. It is very easy, that is identify the plane shape. So this shape is known as, yes, write down here. I hope you all be knowing that it is triangle, T-R-I-N-G-L-E. If we are moving for B1, the shape is known as rectangular, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Next, if we are moving for C1, means here we can see how many sides are here, 1, 2, 3 in this triangle, and also corners, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners. If we are coming for rectangular, the sides are 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we come for circle, means we will be not finding any sides and any corners. So it is known as circle, C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Next, if we are moving for D1, that is the shape, it is square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and also 4 corners. So here I will be writing square. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E, square. if we are moving for each one, so each one it is, for example, I will be giving the example of baseball. And also like this, the shapes it will be not like circle, so circle it will be like this, so that the oval shape will be don't have any sides and don't have any corners, and it is not purely circle also, it will be like this. So it will be not like circle, it will don't have any sides and shape, like this it will be. For example, if you see the baseball also, so the shape is like this only. So this shape is resembles like oval, O-V-A-L, oval. I hope everyone got this. The second Roman number, that is, yes, the second Roman number, name the shapes each of the following object represents. So this we have the objects, so you have to identify which shape it belongs to. Okay, the second is for your home task for you. So next, if we are moving for third Roman number, that is in check pointer 3.2, third Roman number, that is complete the following. Complete the following. Just we have to identify how many shapes and how many corners are here. For example, here we have rectangular shape. So we have to find how many sides are here and how many corners are here. It's very easy. So in rectangular, how many sides means? Sides means straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 sides. If we coming for corners means, what do you mean by the corners? The meeting point. The meeting point of 2 sides is known as corners. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 corners. Next, if we are moving for this triangle, so how many sides are there? Sides means straight line. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sides. Next, corners, the meeting point. Here is a meeting point. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 meeting points, that is corners. Next, if we are moving for circle. Circle, yes. I drawn your oval. Yes, this is a circle. If you see this circle, how many sides are there? So, no, we don't have any sides. Why? Because here straight line is not there. So, here we have to write 0. And also, how many corners? The meeting point is not there. So, here we have to write 0. Next, you have to do about the squares and also the ovals. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope the class was interesting. So, practice well. Stay home, stay safe.